Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to this 30-day Ashtanga Yoga Beginners Challenge. We are up to day 9. So well done for getting to day 9. I hope you're beginning to feel the benefits of the Ashtanga practice, how it can integrate to body, mind and breath, and how you can bring a little inner sunshine into your world through this healing practice. So today we're going to focus on Uttithita Parsvakonasana, which is extended side angle pose. Please choose your base and we shall make a start. Bringing the hands to Anjali Mudra. Take a few moments to connect with Bandha breath. Check in with yourself, see how you're feeling. And we'll begin as always with the opening chant. Take a breath in. Vande Gurunam Charana Ravinde Samdasht Satsva Safara Pote Nishte Se Jankai Kayamani Samsala Hala Muha Shantye Abahu Purushkaram Shankachakrasi Tarinam Sahasra Shvrasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim Om. So coming to Samastitihi, coming to the front of the mat, seated or however you wish to practice. We'll begin with one round of Surya Namaskar A and we'll do one more after that. So Ekam, inhale, lifting. Dve, exhale, folding. Trini, inhale, lift the heart space. Chatvari, exhale, Chaturanga. Remember your options. Pansha, inhale, lift, back bend of choice. Shat, exhale, downward dog or child. 1, you may just be in a forward fold from seated, that's fine. 2, in which case bring the hands down in front of you. 3, everybody let the head dangle. 4, if you're in downward dog, feel free to bring some movement to the legs and the neck. And 5, look forwards. Inhale, come through. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lift. Exhale, Samastitihi. One more. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale, lift the chest. Chatvari, exhale, fold down. Pansha, inhale. Shat, exhale. 1. So reminder of the options here. You might be on all fours. 2, sinking back. 3, you might be seated. Sinking forwards. 4, wherever you are, allow the breath to travel around the body. Remember, that's the main part of the practice. And 5, look forwards. Inhale, come through, step, jog or jump or lift the chest. Exhale to fold, let the head dangle. Inhale to lift. Exhale, Samastitihi. So we'll come to Surya Namaskar B. Again, I'm going to remind you of the modifications for this. If you're fine to do this from standing or seated, that's okay. I'm going to demonstrate from the all fours position. So inhale, sit back, chair pose. Exhale to fold, with the head dangle. Inhale to lift. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift, that's your back bend of choice. Exhale to dog or child. Right leg. Inhale, right leg, palms touch. Exhale, all the way down. Might do a mini dip. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Left leg. Inhale, left leg, palms touch. Remember, if you're seated, it's just the arms. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. 1, so see where you can relax, whichever base you're in. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look forwards. Supta, inhale. Ashtanga, exhale. Nava, inhale, sit back. Exhale, Samasthiti. So we have Uttithita Parsvakonasana, or side angle posture. So from here, if you're seated, you'll come through to standing. Inhale, step out to the right side, big wide step. And again, pivot the feet in the same direction. Now from here, inhale, lean forward a little, and on the exhale, bring the forearm to rest on the thigh as you swing this left arm forward and up. So don't go over, swing down and up. So you have this nice organic arriving in the right position for your shoulder. Check your knee position. If it's suitable, you might be able to bring the knee directly over the ankle. Press away from the forearm so the shoulders are away from the ears. Lift the back inner thigh and press into the side edge of the back foot. This is one option. Breathing, we'll call that 2. Another option, if this is really comfortable for you, is to lengthen the stance, look down, and then bring the right hand to the outside of the right foot. So the outside of the right foot. You might do a little manual shift like I did to the left side. From here, you can keep the hand on the hip or take the fingertips forward and lift the gaze to the fingertips. 4. Keep weight in that back heel. And 5. Look down. Inhale, press into the front heel. Transition like a ninja. So keep your center of gravity relatively low. Good. Change the foot position. And then exhale. Remember your options. Option 1, really nice option. You got to swing through the arm. You got this lovely side angle. Breathing. 2. So your drishti might be down, straight ahead or up towards the fingertips. 3. Again, if you wish, you can bring the left hand to the outside of the left foot. If that's too big an ask and you roll forward, make a reasonable decision for your body. That's it. Sometimes less is more. 4. And 5. From here, inhale, push to lift up. Arms out to the side. Exhale, scooch the feet together, step through. Samasthiti. We're back to the piece of bread, the final piece of bread. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. So again, you might need to come back down to seated for the final 3. Trini, inhale. Shatvare, exhale. Pancha, inhale, back bend of choice. Shat, exhale, downward dog. Inhale, look forward, step, jog or jump through. We set up for Baddha Padmasana. Cross the arms behind the back, choose the appropriate leg position. Remember, wide angle is an option. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, fold forwards. 1. Now try not to force this. Listen to the body, listen to the breath. 2. Check in. The practice may feel different on different days. Mine does. 3. Temperature, hydration, your mindset. 4. How much sleep you've had, how busy you've been. 5. What challenges you've had. All these things affect your daily practice. 6. So you must adjust accordingly. Don't bring any expectation to each of the days that you practice. 7. Doesn't mean that you've got worse or that you're failing. It's just different on different days. 8. So be kind to yourself. First principle of yoga, ahimsa. 9. 10. Inhale, squeeze the pelvic floor to lift up, Padmasana. Exhale, chin to chest. 1. So try and keep the back nice and straight. 2. You don't lean forward in this one, you just try and keep your spine upright. 3. And we're back to the Pinocchio drishti. 4. And really cycle into the breath. 5. Doing really well. 6. So here we're practicing the 6th limb, concentration. 7. This is called dharana. 8, coupled with asana, 3rd limb, pranayama breath, 4th limb. 9. So the 8 limbs are incorporated into the practice. 10. Inhale, lift the gaze. Exhale, release the hands. Remember your options for Uttithita. So remember, if you're taking a full lotus position, those of you who've easily got it in your practice, if you haven't, don't wrestle yourself into it. You have to build up to this. I certainly did with a knee condition, so be mindful. I'm just showing you, remember. So inhale, exhale, lifting. 1. Squeeze the pelvic floor. 2. Keep smiling. 3. Remember, if you come down, you can go back up. 4. So just regroup. Take it back up. 5. Squeeze everything. 6. 7. Stay strong. Keep engaging. 8. You go down, go back up. 9. Squeeze and lift. 10. Exhale, release. Well done. Got your lotus. Release that carefully and mindfully. No lotus. Happy days. Just circle out the wrists. We got the final vinyasa to freedom. Remember the ways that you can take this from seated, or you can hide the feet, step or jump back into plank position. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. And then lay all the way down. Coming to rest position of choice or shavasana. Big inhale. Big exhale. Let go of the effort. Big inhale. Exhale. Last one. Big inhale. Exhale. Allowing the mind and body to drift towards stillness. Allowing the prana, positive life force energy you've created, to travel to any area which needs healing, body or mind. And just allow yourself to drift and rest. If you wish to stay longer, please do so. Otherwise, deepen the breath. Bring some movements to fingers and toes as you move the head from side to side. And then take a full body stretch. Big exhale. Bending at the knees and the elbows. Gather the knees in for a squeeze and a rock. And then roll over to one side. Pause for a moment to give thanks for anything. Be the breath, body, the sunshine, a special loved one. Anything that you're grateful for. And then carefully lever yourself up to comfortable seated. So as you arrive, a few moments to sit tall, bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. Gently bow the head in this gesture, or this is called Ishvara Pranidhana. We surrender to higher forces, which may be in our own nature. And then inhale, lift the prayer hands up. And exhale, namaste. So well done, everybody. We're getting there. Thank you for practicing with me. Hit the like button, and I hope to see you for day 10.